Okay, so hello guys. For this video, we are going to have more examples concerning the problems about vectors. So for this video, we specifically have to focus on the problems about the length of projection and vector of projection. So we are given here sample problem para maintindihan natin kung paano mag-solve sa problems kung amo ni ang aton nga kinahanglan ni pangitaon. So for the length of projection, provided nga given kita sang sini nga mga given, we have vector a to ax plus 2ay minus az, and vector b which is 6ax minus 3ay plus 2az. And then we are asked to find the length of projection of a on b and the vector of projection of a on b. Same also with b on a, length of projection kag vector of projection ang ginapangita. So let's start this calculation by trying to present kung paano siya himuon. So if you will be asked of the length of projection of A and B. So for the length of projection, okay, length. For the length of projection and for the vector of projection. Okay, so we have the formula. So for example, for letter A, okay, for the length of projection, himuon na natin is we will have the value of your A, vector A, then i-dot product mo siya on that direction. So ang direction dapat niya is pakadto sa B. So ano siya nga direction ang ma-determine sini? So that is your unit vector B. So that's it for the length of projection. Next, para sa letter B. Okay, for letter B, so your B sa direction sang A. So we have to have that vector B going pakadto sa direction sang imo nga vector A. So that is for the length of your projection. So next, we will be asked about vector projection. So it would be simple. So ang matabo lang with your vector projection, ang length of projection nimo on that specific nga direction, i-multiply mo lang sa imo unit vector. So unit vector nga ano? So sa sina nga specific nga direction. So for example, vector projection. So we have this one. So ang answer naton sa length is we have A, dot product naton sa AB. So ano nga direction ang pakadtuan naton? So we are projecting sang vector into the direction sang B, so dapat multiply siya naton by unit vector B. So same also with letter A. So aton answer for the length of projection is A or B dot the unit vector A. So we are going sa direction sang aton nga vector A. So multiply siya naton by the direction or the unit vector A man. So that's it para sa formula or general formula in finding the length and the vector of projection. So this time we are going to solve na sang problem kay may nabalaan na natin ang iyang formula. So the best way to solve this problem is to first find sang unit vectors natin. So let's start with the unit vector A. Okay, for unit vector A we have okay, unit vector A is equal to, we have copy lang natin sa baba, we have 2ax plus 2ay minus az. So we have that one. And then, divide siya natin by the magnitude of our a. So magnitude of our a, capital, ang tanong mga coefficient kag e squared. So we have 2 squared plus 2 squared minus or plus negative 1 squared. So this is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So we have 2 all over 3 ax plus 2 all over 3 ay minus 1 all over 3 az. So that is our unit vector A. Next, we are going to find the unit vector B natin. So unit vector B, we have okay, unit vector B. So copy natin ang ating vector, we have 6ax minus 3ay plus 2az. Divide natin siya by the magnitude sa aton vector B. So magnitude sa aton vector B is, we have copy nato ng aton mga um, coefficients and then squared. So we will have 6 squared. Next, my plus negative 3 squared plus 2 squared. So 36 plus 9, that is 45, plus 4, that is 49. Square root of 49 is 7. So atong denominator will be 7. So we have 6 over 7 ax minus 3 all over 7 ay plus 2 all over 7 az. So we have that one as our unit vector b. So 6 over 7 ax minus 3 over 7 ay plus 2 all over 7 az. So that's it. So now may ara sang vector, so pwede na takad sang unit vector, so pwede na naton ma-solve ang aton nga length of projection kay dot product lang siya. Okay, for letter A, we will have length of projection sang A on B. Okay, so length of projection of your A on B. So that is A. Okay, vector A naton, dot product naton sa B. So we will have, or the vector, unit vector B. So we have, diretsyon na lang naton, vector A, we have 2 multiplied by, sa aton nga B, which is 6 all over 7, plus, okay, 2 multiplied naton by negative 3 all over 7, negative 3 all over 7. Next, for Z, we have A naton is negative 1 plus negative 1 multiplied naton sa 2 all over 7. So this will be equal to 12 plus 6 or minus 6. Okay, negative good on 3. So we have minus 6 12 minus 6 minus 2 all over 7. So this is equal to 4 all over 7. 4 all over 7. Okay, we have the units. So this is our unit or the length of projection. So this automatically will be our answer for length of projection sa letter A. So now, may ara na taas ang length of projection. So pwede ito naman saran ang vector projection. So multiply ta lang siya sa aton nga unit vector B. So we have for vector projection, it will be equal to, okay, 4 all over 7 nato nga answer, multiply ta siya by vector B. So we have 6 all over 7 ax minus 3 all over 7 ay plus 2 all over 7 az. So this will be equal to, okay, so let us solve na lang. We have all clear. We have 24 divided by 49. So this is equal to 0.49. Okay, that will be 0.49 ax. So 0.49 ax. Next, we have 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay, we will have 12 divided by 49 is equal to 0.24. That is minus 0.24 ay. And then para sa aton az, so we have 8 all over 49. So 8 divided by 49 is equal to 0.16 az. 0.16 az. Okay, plus 0.16 az. So this now will be aton nga final answer para sa letter A. Okay? Same nga process ang igamito naton to find sang mga kinanglan isolve sa aton nga letter B. So, let us erase lang para mas klaro sa aton. So, we will have, okay, let's start with letter B. So, para sa letter B, we have length of projection of B on A. So, that is B, vector B, dot product sa unit vector A. So, we have KB on A. So, B naton is 6. Multiplied naton sa A which is 2/3. Next, B naton is -3 plus -3 multiplied by K 2/3 plus B naton is 2 multiplied naton sa A which is -1/3. Okay, so this will be equal to 12. 12 minus 6 minus 2 all over 3. So this will be equal to 12 minus, so this will be equal to 12 minus 8. This will be 4 all over 3 units. So this now will be aton nga final answer for the length of projection. So now, para sa aton nga vector projection, so multiply talang aton nga nakuha nga answer sa unit vector A. So we have 4 over 3 multiply naton by unit vector A which is 2/3 AX plus 2/3 AY minus 1/3 AZ. So that will be equal to 8 all over 9. So calculator naton para okay, 8 all over 9. So that will be equal to 0.89 0.89 AX 0.89 AX okay 0.89 AX plus, so that will be the same, that will be 8 all over 9 plus 0.89 AY. Next, 4 all over 9. So 4 all over 9 will be all clear. So we have 4 all over 9. So that is equal to 0.44 AX minus 0.44 AZ, I mean. So this now will be aton final answer for the vector of projection of your vector B on A. So that's it for the calculation of length of projection and vector of projection.